Finance 27B. Robin is opening a bakery. She will finance the kitchen appliances at the rate of 2.7% simple interest. Okay, simple interest. That looks important. Over 5 years. If the appliances cost $24,000, what will her monthly payment be? Okay, let's figure out. It looks like, well, let's write down what we have. The interest rate is 0.027. We're looking at simple interest. The time is 5 years. The appliances cost $24,000. That's a principal. It says, what will her monthly payment be? Well, we can't figure out what that monthly payment will be without figuring out how much that Robin will owe in total. So let's do that. You've got principal times 1 plus the rate times the time. And Robin will owe $27,240. This is clearly not Robin's monthly payment. Well, how many monthly payments will she be making? So she'll be paying it every month for 5 years. So Robin will be making 60 monthly payments. So if I want to figure out how much Robin's monthly payments will be, I need to divide by 60. And so I get $404.
Well, so that's, to me, that's what